everyone, welcome back. So in this video I will tell you what are the various ways we can use to set the line color of a given plot in Matplotlib. So I will continue with the same code which we did in last video. What I'm doing here is I'm just trying to create some sine plots on various degrees. So that's to differentiate. I just set -1, -2, -3 and all those. So let's quickly have a look how it looks right now. Give it a second and you can see that currently the plot is looking something like this. Now what if you want to change these line colors to something else, or let's say you, instead of this blue or purple, you want black color? How can you do that? So there are various ways we can achieve this, and in this video I am going to talk about all those ways. So the very first thing which we can do is we can go ahead and set the line color by the color name. So you need to say color and just say black. So this is the one way. Another way to do the same thing is by using these codes. So these are the shorthand codes which you can use. What you can do is you can say color equal, and let's say I want yellow, so I will say just yellow. Another thing is to use the grayscale. So for this you can say color equal to and some number between 0 and 1. So I'm going with 0.75. So apart from these three ways, there are a few more ways which I'm going to tell you. So this one is for hexa. So you can define hexa code here. And let's say I can say FFDD43. And the last one is with the Rgb tuple. So here you need to define a tuple with all the three values of red, green and blue. So let's say I'm giving here 1, then another one I'm saying 2, and then another one, let's say 3. I will save it and quickly execute it. So you can see that this time colors got changed. You got yellow, you got black. So these are the various ways you can use. There is no hard and fast rule which one to go for, but it's an individual preference. So whatever works best for you, you can go ahead and set the color. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.